Guys, the garbage truck is here, finally. Huh? Garbage truck 21? This truck, this truck never came here before. Oh, I still have the sore throat. Garbage truck 21? I never seen this truck before. Oh my gosh, my throat. Lewis, if you're watching this, garbage truck 21's at my house. We saw the same garbage truck on the same day. Alright, he's coming. Garbage truck 21. He's driving so slow. Whoa, look how slow he's driving. It's a different guy. It's a different garbage truck, 21. Never seen this truck before. There goes garbage truck 21. Oh yeah, of course, yard waste. You threw a pumpkin in there. Alright, there it goes. There goes garbage truck 21. Going that way. Wow. Now, 3 different garbage trucks came to my house. Garbage truck 28, garbage truck 27, and garbage truck 21. So it was 3 different, oh no, 3 different garbage trucks came to my house. Alright, now I'm gonna be waiting for garbage truck 23 to come. So, I will see you guys in the next video when garbage truck 23 comes. Because that garbage truck that just came here, garbage truck 21, it only came for yard waste. Just like last week, garbage truck 27 came for yard waste. And I don't know if garbage truck 23 is coming or not. So yeah, garbage truck 23 is late today. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next video when garbage truck 23 comes. Peace out.